we can do surface prep, we can do bevel, we can do all sorts of mechanical preparation work without the need of such hot work permits. Hello, this is Hector Maggie with TFT-Pneumatic. Today we will be showcasing you some certified cold work grinders. They are designed for use in explosive environments, do not require a need for a hot work permit, do not require a need for a shutdown, slow down, no need for habitats or fire watches. The most important thing about the tools is that they are designed as a mechanical work tool. We can do surface prep, we can do bevel, we can do all sorts of mechanical preparation work without the need of such hot work permits, and so, as I mentioned, they are classified as cold work tool. In the market, they're also known as sparkless grinders. It's been a name that has caught up, and definitely one that a lot of people refer to. So anyway, the tool is powered by a 90 psi compressor, just a traditional compressor, and what we'll be doing is basically shave off the top layer, all the corrosion that is in here. We will be just basically taking it off. We're not going to be embedding any abrasives into the material, into the metal. This file is made of a proprietary alloy based out of tungsten, and it's designed as not to add any heat to the metal. There's no risk of ignitions due to no added heat and due to extremely low energy. Basically, this is the ideal tool to follow a crack. We'll be seeing here how I follow a crack in a minute. We'll also be able to do all sorts of surface preparation for whether it's a painting system, whether it's a wrap, or really anything related. So without much further ado, I invite you guys to come in and check it out. As you can see, we have created a white metal. Now we have a surface profile in order to create that bond in between whatever material we may be applying on the base metal. Please visit us at TFT-Pneumatic. Our website is www.tft-pneumatic.com. Thank you. We'll see you later.